everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making the best Rice Krispie treats ever, so let's get to it. Okay, first you're going to butter your 9x9 pan. Okie dokie, now that we're done with that, we're gonna start baking the Rice Krispie treats. First, add 1 stick of butter on medium-high heat. After there's only a little bit of butter left, you're going to add a 10-ounce package of marshmallows. All right, now that your marshmallows are almost melted, you're going to turn off your heat and add in 4 cups of Rice Krispies, 1 cup at a time. The secret to this recipe is the amount of Rice Krispies you add. If you add too much Rice Krispies, your Rice Krispie treats will be dry. So make sure you don't overdo it. Immediately after all of your Rice Krispies are incorporated with the mixture, quickly pour them into your pre-buttered pan. Now let them set for 10 minutes before enjoying. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. See you next time on BG Bakers.